So let's go down that. What in the others? Yes, yeah. Well, not really. What's this? Oh my gosh. Maybe I'll try. You're done. I'm just gonna. Wait, this is not. In the world. How did it get so popular? Let's see. Maybe. Wait, let me pause the video. I'm deciding to play Papyrus. I just downloaded a couple of minutes. Hours ago, I guess. 4 minutes. There we go. Crappy Papyrus one. You just saw that. Server open. What does that mean? Doesn't that mean like server closed? That's a little weird. Yeah, I'm playing versus Papyrus. Ooh. Oh. Bones. Down to the window. Alright. So let's play. Damn, you small human. I will be the one. Oh no, I will capture a human. I'm going to capture you now, okay? Then the great papyrus will get all the things I literally deserve. What kind of like laugh is that? I do sort of like the animation. Stop moving so much, you're making me dizzy. What in the world? What's wrong with the icon? Oh, I hate these kind of spamming jacks. I only like the different kind of jacks. Oh. I'm gonna try something. Go to free play. Let me try it hard. Look at the face of the icon, and then wait until it's a losing icon. What the? What? What's wrong if it's eyes. What? Ooh. What in the world? Oh no. I hate these jacks. And I hate the stairs. The stairs is so hard to do. Comment down below what every time if you play a mod, which part do you hate? Do you hate the stairs, the jacks, or anything else? This looks normal. What's wrong with its face? Alright, I guess it's very short, I guess. Oh, dude, I could play. Yeah. Alright, bye bye. I could play. And this is my private server. By the way, the equipment the really headphone and that mouse, yeah, those are free. They don't use Roblox, and as you can see, I don't have any Roblox, and my mom doesn't let me have any Roblox. And what is this? iVix? Never heard of that. I'm just organizing some stuff. There we go. Alley-oop. Looks like I jumped my privacy. Sorry, sometimes I suddenly I just sort of woke up a couple hours ago. Oh. Where's the droopy? Wait, if Bob and Gossip if this song Bob and Gossip is in here, I will be so happy. Whoa. Wait, I'm gonna try somewhere else. So this happened, so I really need to fix this. Alright. And change versus Bob. They don't have it. Oh well, just play. I'll just try playing Parasite. Oh. Yeah, I'm not very good at horror role. circular. Sussy. I love the sussy. Alright, let's play solo. And I think I'm gonna play. I always like to play Cutie Mod because it is my favorite song, and I like to play it a lot. So yeah, that's why most of the most of the videos or something, I don't know. I play Cutie Mod the most. So yes, just don't judge me. I just like the song. Like, come on. Too slow, normal. Oh, good. If anyone wants me to play Sonic.exe, I actually already downloaded it a couple of days ago, so yes. I might make a video about it. I'm just not ready. Oh my god. I think I'm better in circular. Yeah, I'm a bit more perfect in circular. It's still not perfect. I don't know what you're talking about. And I don't understand what you're saying. I have to be a little quick sensitive thing. Alright, I think this might be the end of the video. That happens a lot. Okay. Well, goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.